Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Audi R8 in Car Dealership Tycoon. First, focus on accumulating a substantial amount of in-game currency. The Audi R8 is a premium vehicle, so it requires a considerable investment. You'll also need to ensure your dealership has reached the necessary level to unlock this specific car. Keep expanding your business to meet these requirements. To earn money efficiently, consistently sell a high volume of cars from your existing inventory. Upgrading your dealership facilities and expanding your lot will also grant you valuable experience points, helping you level up faster. Don't forget to complete daily challenges. They often provide excellent cash bonuses and other rewards to boost your progress. Once you have sufficient funds and your dealership is at the correct level, head over to the car purchasing menu. You'll find the Audi R8 listed in the Premium or High Performance Vehicle section. Select the car and confirm your purchase. Make sure you have enough cash, as it's a significant investment, often costing over $1,000,000 in-game currency. Congratulations on acquiring your Audi R8. Now you can take it for a spin around the map, enjoying its speed and handling. Display your new premium car prominently in your dealership to impress visitors and attract more high-spending customers. This prestigious vehicle will certainly enhance your dealership's reputation and overall appeal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.